Hello guys, a new tutorial. I will show you today how to install Python 3.9 on Ubuntu 23.04. So let's start. Here is a list of commands. So don't worry, I will give you all the list on the description of the video. So let's copy the first command and let's open a new terminal. So let's paste. Okay, it's already installed. Then go inside the OPT. And here we will download the Python 3.9 and enter, and then it starts to download the Python 3.9. So please wait, and then let's extract the file. So this is to extract the file. Add sudo, and then go inside the new folder and let's clear, and then copy this command and waiting. And it's finished, so let's continue. So sudo make altinstall, and the installation is finished. So we can check the version. And now you have Python 3.9 is installed. So installation is successful. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you on the next tutorial. Goodbye.